Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. Today in this AutoCAD 2021 tutorial, we will learn how we can create this 3D house. This AutoCAD 2021 tutorial series will be in multiple parts, and this is the first part. In this AutoCAD tutorial, I'll provide you a 2D plan which you will be able to open in any AutoCAD version starting from AutoCAD 2002, AutoCAD 2004, AutoCAD 2005, AutoCAD 2006, AutoCAD 2007, AutoCAD 2008, AutoCAD 2009, AutoCAD 2010 till AutoCAD 2021 version. And then we will know how to convert 2D to 3D in AutoCAD in some amazing never seen steps. And if you guys want me to create a video for the 2D plan as well, then comment below. So for this tutorial, we will be using Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 version. So here is the 2D plan. I have provided the link for this AutoCAD 2D plan in the description section so that you guys can download it and then practice by following the steps. This 2D plan has been created in multiple layers. So before opening the drawing, make sure you set the units as I have done. Type to decimal, precision to 0 and insertion scale to millimeters. Then open the dimension style manager and set the unit format and precision as before. So as I have earlier said, this 2D plan has been created in multiple layers. I'll show you the layers. So here it is. Each and every element is drawn separately in separate layers. That is ground floor wall, first floor wall, balcony, doors and windows for different floors, parapet wall, mumty, etc. So if you guys want to know how this 2D plan is drawn, then comment below, I'll make a separate video for that. So let's start converting the 2D plan to 3D. So first I'll copy the 2D plan to a different drawing tab. So I'll select it, press Ctrl+C in the keyboard. All the layers should be turned on. Come to another tab, press Ctrl+V and then left click anywhere to paste it in this tab. Then double click the scroll button of the mouse to zoom to extent. Ortho should be turned on. Function key F8 is the shortcut. I am pressing F7 to turn the grid off. Now orbit the drawing by pressing and holding the scroll button of the mouse and moving it while pressing Shift key in the keyboard. Now set the 0 layer as the current layer and turn off all the layers except the entry steps and the ground floor. Now click on Press Pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this boundary. Move the cursor downwards, type 600 and press enter. Then click inside this boundary, click on multiple in the command line. Then click inside the boundaries as shown. Never ever click on the lines, press enter. Then click at this snap to press pull this downwards by 600 as well. Change the visual style to conceptual. Now click on Press Pull tool again. Press pull this face downwards by 450 mm, this one by 300 mm and this one by 150 mm, and right click to create these steps. Now turn these layers off, select these parts, right click, go to isolate and click on hide object to hide these. Now turn the ground floor wall layer on, then click on Press Pull tool, click inside this boundary, click on multiple in the command line, press enter and press pull it upwards by 2900 units as shown. Then turn the door ground floor layer on as well as the windows ground floor. Change the visual style to 2D wireframe, then select all the doors and windows. The rectangles actually. Type M and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Move the cursor upwards, type 2100 and press enter to move all the rectangles at lintel level. Then orbit this house to come to a view like this and select all the rectangles by blue window selection. Type EXT and press enter and extrude these downwards by 1500 mm. Then change the visual style back to conceptual so you can see the extruded rectangles. Now orbit the house again to get to this view. Then type SUB and press enter. Select the wall, press enter. Then select all the extruded rectangles by blue window selection as shown, and then press enter to subtract the extruded rectangles from the wall to create all the cutouts. Now click on press pull tool. This is the main door. So select this face and press pull cut it downwards. This one as well. Right click to exit. I'll check a few distances by using dist command. Okay. Click on press pull tool again. Select this face and press pull cut it downwards by 350 units. This face upwards by 550 units. Always right click to exit from any command. Now turn all the layers off again except the zero layer. Then turn the first floor layer on. Select this wall and hide it as before. Then click on press pull tool, click inside this boundary and extrude it upwards by 100 units. Then select it, click on move tool or type M and press enter and move it upwards by 2900 units. Then turn this layer off and turn the first floor balcony layer on. Then click on press pull tool, click inside this boundary and extrude it upwards by 400 units. Press pull all the boundaries as shown. Then select all these elements and move these upwards by 3000 units as shown. So these are the guard walls. Now type unhide and press enter to unhide all the elements. Now you can orbit the drawing and have a look. Now turn this layer off. Then select all the elements and again hide these. Now turn the first floor wall layer on. Then click on press pull tool and extrude it upwards by 2900 mm as shown to create the wall. Now turn the doors first floor and the windows first floor layer on. Then create all the door and window cutouts in the first floor as done before in the ground floor. So just watch and do it as shown. Now unhide all the elements. Okay, I have to move the first floor now. So select it and move it upwards by 3000 units. So all good till now. Now turn these layers off. Click on press pull tool and extrude this column up to this point. Press pull this face up to this point as well. Now select all the elements and hide these. Then turn the first floor roof layer on. Click on press pull tool and extrude this upwards by 100 units as shown. Press pull these boxes as well. Now select these and move these upwards by 5900 mm upwards. Turn this layer off. Type unhide and press enter to unhide all the hidden elements. Then you can orbit and see if everything is properly aligned or not. Then select all and hide again. Now turn the parapet wall layer on. Click on press pull tool and press pull it upwards by 900 units as shown. To press pull, always click inside the boundary, not on the boundary line. Then turn this layer off and turn the Mumty wall layer on. Then click on press pull tool again and extrude the Mumty wall upwards by 2550 units. Always right click to exit from any command. Then turn the Mumty wall layer off. Then select these and move these upwards by 6000 units. Then unhide the remaining portions. So it's almost done. Now hide it back. Now turn the rooftop layer on. Click on press pull tool and press pull this boundary upwards by 100 units. Let me check the length of this wall. It's 1650. So press pull this part downwards by 1650 units. Press pull this face up to this point. Then press pull this boundary downwards by 100 mm. Then select it and move it downwards by 1650 units as shown. Press pull this face as well as shown. Now select these. Click on move tool or type M and press enter. And move these upwards by 8550 units. Now turn this layer off and unhide all the hidden parts. Now press pull the columns as shown. Okay, I did something wrong over here. So I'll hide the parapet wall. Press pull this face upwards by 100 units. Then this face upwards by 100 units as well. Then unhide the parapet wall. Now this is good. You can change the visual style to shaded with edges to have a proper look. Now if you see over here, there is a beam, right? Here it is. So we will draw that. So type REC and press enter. Turn the dynamic UCS on. F6 is the shortcut. Then when this face is highlighted, click at this corner. Come to this snap. Take extension downwards from this snap. Type 250 and press enter. Same way, draw the rectangle in this side as well. Then extrude both the rectangles inwards by 250 units. Do it as shown. I'll change the visual style back to conceptual. Orbit the drawing. Type REC and press enter. Draw the rectangle as shown using dynamic UCS. Now type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 250 units. Press enter. Select the rectangle and then click inwards to offset the rectangle inwards. Then click on press pull tool and press pull cut this rectangle inwards as shown. So this will be it for this part. In the next parts, we will learn how we can draw the doors and windows without any effort. Staircases, one L type, another round one. We will add railings to the balconies. We will add glasses. Then we will apply lights and materials. And finally we will render an high quality image. So considering the effort needed to bring all these stuffs, please like and share the video. Comment all your valuable opinions. And subscribe the channel to get more tutorials like this. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.